Hey pack leaders, this is here. Friends are protecting family, protecting pack. I want to do a video on how to know where the trend is going. So let's switch over here, and what we have is a trend tab. What it does is it calculates the high and low, the last, whatever large time frame you set. This is 360 minutes, so I think that's about 6 hours. And then we put a tolerance on there so that that plus a little extra just to make sure. And then the small time frame is what it subtracts from. So this is 3 hours that it subtracts from. Okay, so there is like a 3 hour period window in there. We might want to put this into like maybe 60 might be good. Okay, so that way there is 1 hour of blindness in a sense, because we can't calculate everything in the high and low. So let's say it trends up, trends down. It'll actually account for that as a high and low. So I have to kind of cut out the first hour in a sense, or first 15 minutes or so that I can kind of calculate high and low in previous. Okay, now if the current price candle is within the high and low of that large time frame, then it's sideways. Now if that current candle moves above the high and low, then it's going to be trending up. And if it goes down, then it's trending down. Okay, so that's kind of how this calculation works for determining whether it's trending up, down, or sideways. And then based on that, you can then auto adjust the settings accordingly to what you need. And what we have is now we have settings where we can then do based on these side trends, but then there's different price actions. So according to the price action, you can say, hey, if this price action is this, I want to turn on motion line or not, depending what you want to do. So we kind of want to do a little bit of a grid here. So I'm going to show you this. It's a little chicken scratch here, but how you have the small price action, small PA right here, small price action, medium price action, high price action, and then we'll have trending up. I put high and low, but sideways, and then you can say, hey, based on that, I want to do certain configurations. And whatnot. So then once depending where it moves on the grid, the bot will actually adjust accordingly to where it needs to be. There's just so many configurations and stuff, so that it gets a little bit overwhelming in a sense. So I would say maybe start simple. Maybe just get these small trends, up and down trends, and then just kind of set it for a small movement. And then if that works well, then let's go ahead and add a little medium to it, and then that works well, let's add a little fast to it. Kind of build it up slowly over time, and find a massage setting that works for us, that kind of covers small, medium, and price action movements. Okay, all right, that's it for our series of Bybit training for our trend calculations. Thanks for watching, and the link is in the description below if you want to get access to Leverage Chart Bot. Thanks.